The GREENovation e-learning platform offers an engaging digital learning space filled with interactive content, practical resources, and inspiring learning materials. It is designed to make learning accessible, flexible, and relevant to today's green and digital transition. Learners and educators can explore tools, topics, and activities that turn ideas into action. The modularized course is organized into 3 key learning modules. These modules guide learners step by step through the development of green skills, entrepreneurial skills, and job-related skills. Together, they create a complete learning pathway that supports sustainable careers, self-confidence, and active participation in the green economy. Across the 3 modules, learners explore 18 carefully selected topics. Each topic responds to real needs in a changing world, combining sustainability, innovation, digital learning, and practical knowledge. The course helps learners build useful competences that can be applied in everyday life, further learning, and future employment. The Green Skills module introduces learners to the foundations of sustainable living and environmental responsibility. It includes knowledge of energy laws and safety, sustainable techniques and eco-friendly practices, and problem-solving for sustainability challenges. Learners also explore waste reduction, ecological adaptability in response to environmental change, and systems thinking for sustainability. This module encourages learners to think critically, act responsibly, and contribute to a greener future. The Entrepreneurial Skills module helps learners turn ideas into opportunities. It focuses on digital and data skills for farm management, communication and collaboration, and digital literacy for using monitoring tools and business management. Learners also strengthen marketing and branding expertise, financial literacy and business management for sustainability, and self-sufficiency in resource management. This module supports initiative, creativity, and the confidence to build sustainable solutions in community-based enterprises. The Job-Related Skills module connects learning with real-work opportunities in the green sector. It includes crops, soil, and eco-farming, understanding smart tools in green jobs, and sustainable logistics, packaging, and eco-marketing. Learners are also introduced to green energy and solar energy systems, creative design such as sewing, tailoring, and craftsmanship, and technical proficiency for design and monitoring. This module prepares learners for practical green careers and supports their employability in emerging sectors. To support meaningful learning, the GREENovation platform also includes 18 creative lesson plans and 54 hands-on practical activities. These resources help educators deliver engaging sessions and give learners the chance to apply knowledge in realistic and interactive ways. From reflection to practice, GREENovation transforms learning into experience. Discover the platform, explore the modules, and join us in building greener skills for a more sustainable future. Funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are however those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the European Education and Culture Executive Agency, EACEA. Neither the European Union nor EACEA can be held responsible for them.